Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Amazon S3 to receive data from Azion Data Streaming. If you need to access your content and application data in real time using Amazon S3, this video walks you through exactly what you need. So, let's get started. To begin, initiating your journey with Amazon S3 entails executing several pivotal configurations. Your foremost step involves setting up an Amazon AWS account. Once your account is established, proceed to register an Identity and Access Management (IAM) credential. With your IAM credentials in place, it's time to create an Amazon S3 bucket. Choose a unique name for your bucket. If you have data ready for storage, you can opt to upload an object to your newly created bucket. This could be anything from documents and images to videos or database backups. Optionally, you can enhance the security of your Amazon S3 objects by implementing server-side encryption with Amazon S3 managed keys. Remember to keep track of the following essential information: region, access key, and secret key, and save this information in a safe place to use them later on Azion Data Streaming. If you are a new user of data streaming and the RTM, select the Account menu. Go to Billing and Subscriptions. On the Subscription tab, enable data streaming in the Edge Analytics section. To configure the endpoint in Azion Data Streaming, access the Products menu in the upper left corner of the RTM and click on Data Streaming. Click the Add Streaming button. Type a name for your data streaming. The data source is the Azion platform that generates the events from where you want to collect data. In Template, you can use a preset of data, or you can customize the format by choosing the custom template. In Options, you can select Filter Domains in the Domains box and add the domains you want to receive your logs by selecting them in the Available Domains box. Or you can select all domains if you want. In the Destination Configurations, select Simple Storage Service S3 from the drop-down list. In the Host URL field, input the URL of your S3 host. Next, in the Bucket Name field, provide the name of your S3 bucket. Then, in the Region field, enter the region that is configured on AWS. For the Access Key and Secret Key fields, input the respective keys you created on AWS. If desired, in the Object Key Prefix field, add the prefix name for your uploaded object. For instance, you can include WAF as a prefix. Additionally, in the Content Type field, specify the format of the object that will be created in your S3 bucket. Options include plain/text or application/gzip. Finally, to finish your data streaming setup, make sure the active switch is turned on and click the Save button. After saving the configurations, you can keep track of the calls made by data streaming to Amazon S3 in the real-time events available on Products menu at RTM. To do so, select the data source, Data Streaming, and choose the filters options as you wish. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Amazon S3 to receive data from Azion Data Streaming. If you have any questions, please reach out to our online documentation. You can find more detailed information about the product. Thank you for watching, and move to the edge.